It's very simple. By organizing advocacy campaigns, writing open letters, launching civic initiatives, participating in public debates. Plus, organizations can establish working groups dedicated to research and monitoring, and the implementation of laws and policies, while submitting all information simultaneously, as well as the reports, proposals to the citizens, media, and public institutions to ensure transparency. By organizing educational programs, workshops, lectures, we can all contribute to a clearer understanding of European values, rights, and opportunities. In order to minimize the occurrence of organizations being the ones to talk and no one listening to them, it is necessary for us to be involved in consultations and working groups by constantly preparing materials and proposals. In order to achieve progress and reforms, it's crucial that public institutions and civil society organizations work together. Organizations should continuously apply for various funds and grants from local and international donors, and thus contribute to solving the key problems of European integration. Likewise, organizations can document human rights violations and report on them. And at the same time, they can organize campaigns to raise awareness about these problems. In order for something to change, we need to talk about it. Thus, organizations should organize events where topics of interest are discussed, panels, discussions, debates with the public, experts, and decision makers will actually start the conversation, while analysis, research, and the coming up with different methodologies will shed light on the path of transforming the challenges to solutions.
How should an organization identify a topic for inclusion in the European integration processes? By capacities and expertise. Because in order to cook a dish, we need to know the recipe and have the ingredients. What it means in translation. In order to get involved in the processes of European integration, we must have expertise in one or more areas such as law and legal regulations, analysis and data collection, project management, and others. For example, Judo Club will not deal with transparency of institutions, but organizations that are networked with public institutions and are already dealing with stuff.
Strategic commitment in accordance with experience and expertise is key to successful participation in this process. In our region, there are several networks dealing with security issues at the level of the Western Balkans. The Network for Security and Development gathers regional organizations which focus on security, human rights, and development. Each country in the region has its own specifics when it comes to security. Like it or not, civil society organizations are here and are here to stay. Civil society is not an enemy of the government and politics, but rather an ally in creating better policies on the path to European Union. Thank you for watching our new tutorial, and make sure to subscribe to all of our social media channels. See you!